All right, if you've seen any of my videos, you know what I'm going to say. We're back out in the garage. Today what we're going to do is I'm going to lay out those radiuses for the wheel wells and try to cut them. So, I've never done it before, so hope you stick around and see what happens. Alright, so here's about where she's going to lay out. Somewhere around in there, I'm guessing. Alright, so there's the line. So the plan is I'm going to tape this off. It's going to be that line there. So I'm going to run some tape and I'm going to leave myself a good, I don't know, inch of lip on this thing. Just so I can leave a good inch of lip on here just so I can make sure I have enough metal to cover this. And then, you know, I can always cut more out, but I can't add it. All right, so let's get it laid out. All right, so my tape right here is 1.5 inches. So I'm gonna lay it right on that line. Just like so. Alright, so now if I cut on the inside of all this, I'll have all that extra metal to mess with later. Alright, we'll get right ahead to the point of no return, right? The back. That's a big hole now. All right, let's move over. Alrighty, let's grab the panel. Still fits. All right, I didn't want to take so much out at first. I know I probably could have, but I'd rather not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to leave myself a 1/2 inch lip out on this, right in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 1.5 inch tape and I'm going to bring it over 1 inch off of this line and just run it straight down like that. So let's just see. I'll put that there, mark there. The only thing I'm doing right now, just in case you're wondering, is I'm just using the 2-inch so this hook isn't in the way here. So I just let it hang out here, and then I just measure from the 2-inch mark out to the 3, and it gives me my inch. So that's all I'm doing there. Sheesh. Oh, got myself all ass backwards there for a second. There you go. That leaves me 1/2 inch of a lip there. There you go. Alright, I'm just going to grind this out right here. Alright, let's see if anything still fits. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. Alright, so what I got here is a pneumatic hole punch, and you also have a crimper. So this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to go around the panel, I'm going to crimp, and then I might put a couple of holes in so I can spot weld the panel on. And yeah, this is what I'm going to use, so we'll see if this goes well. I don't know if you can see that, but let me bring you in close. But you see how it puts this little lip right here? It's really hard to see, but it's a lip. So that edge of that other panel should butt right up to that lip and give me a nice place to weld. Like I said, if I punch a couple of holes in that panel, I'll be able to spot weld it. And then be a whole lot nicer. So I'm going to go ahead and run this thing all the way around there and see what we get. to figure out how I can get around that. Maybe like that. Probably have to angle that a little bit. But there you go. Let me finish running down here and then that should about do it. Oh man, look at that. The V's are really good. The top actually could go a little higher, it looks like. But yeah, this is pretty flush. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of bending in there. Let me mark that. Yeah, that's going to be nice. I just got to work this little section right here. I might just take and cut it out since I can't get a nipper in there. Just butt weld that in right there. So, okay, I'm pretty pleased with it so far. Alright, so here's what we got. This is where the way this panel looks. That's going to fit nice. It's sitting in there nice. Let me shut this door here. There we go. Light not in there. It's got that little lip. I mean, this is quite flush. So, I just have to do something in here, I guess, to make that match up. Piece of metal back or something like that. I'm not sure. But anyway, that's in there. I can't tack this in there yet or anything because this tire is sitting right on there. So I can't weld it in case I have to move this car right now. So you can see. So I have brand new tires that go on these rims, but because of what's going on right now outside this garage in the world, I can't get the tires mounted. I do have a set of well wheels that I might be able to put on there. I didn't want to mess them up because they're new. But anyway, there you go. Let's get a better shot back here. I think it's going to be badass. Let's move it in. There you go. Nice radius there. So anyhow, that's going to be it for right now. We'll see what I can do on the next one about getting this thing cut in here, welded in, and the tires. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Hope you check back.